Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you are new here. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. So OFRA Cosmetics actually came out with not a subscription box, but kind of like a mystery bag, and it was $25 for a value of $100, and I thought that was great, $25 for a value of $100. So I went ahead and purchased the mystery bag that actually just got delivered today. So we're going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm going to let you guys know if it is worth $25. So yeah, if you want to see what I got from OFRA Cosmetics for their $25 mystery bag that's supposed to be valued at $100, then please keep watching. Also, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. So it comes in a cute little bag like this. I thought it was really cute. I don't really own much from OFRA. The only thing that is hands down one of my holy grails is actually their highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive that I received in my BoxyCharm. So a lot of my OFRA products that I do have did come from BoxyCharm. I never actually purchased anything from them on my own. Everything's just been from BoxyCharm. So yeah, let's see what I got in here. Alright, so the first thing I got was a lanyard. Cool. Do I want a lanyard? No. Bring on the makeup. Is a makeup sponge, and it is latex free. I didn't even know they had a beauty blender little sponge. It's pretty hard. I don't know how it's going to be when I wet it. Usually, you know, I'm so used to the beauty blender or the Real Techniques. They're a little bit softer. The next thing is a eyeshadow in the shade Bohemian. Looks like that. Usually the pans that we get from BoxyCharm are a lot smaller, so this is a lot larger. The next thing is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Cancun. That is the color right there. Ooh. So it's like a bright purple. It's cute if I were to do like a fun look. It's cute. It's not I feel a lot of plastic. Ooh, here we go. It is a blush slash bronzer. It's cute. It's in the shade Format. So this is probably the nicest thing I think we got so far in this mystery bag. Uh-oh. I think it's the last. No, there's two more things. Alright. Ooh. It is another long-lasting liquid lipstick, except it's in the shade Nude Potion, and to be honest, I'm loving this shade. Oh, yeah. I just put it right over my lipstick. I love this. I love nudes, but I like nudes that are like a little pink undertone. I don't like nudes that are like more brownish. I don't think it looks good on my complexion. And I like them really light. You know what I used to do in high school? I used to put foundation on my lips and then put gloss over it. So it was like just white lips. Alright, last thing in here is an eyeliner in the shade Coffee Bean, which is a nice brown. I'm already wearing black, can't do it. So it's always nice to have eyeliners. So overall, we got two liquid lipsticks, an eyeliner, a blush, a beauty blender, beauty sponge, an eyeshadow pan. We got a lanyard, and we got this cute makeup bag. And all of it for $18 because, again, it was $25, and then it was 40% off the entire website, which included this as well. I think that is a great deal, and I definitely will probably be buying more liquid lipsticks because they're so comfortable on the lips. Usually the ones we get in BoxyCharm are like not really my colors, but I'm really happy we got this a nude because I love pink mattes. They're just so cute. So yeah, that is everything we got in the OFRA mystery bag. That was $25. Retails for $25. I got it for $18, and it said it was a value of $100. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like unboxings and you like me purchasing these mystery bags. I also did one for the Marc Jacobs one. I will list it down below. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.